open these things, we gotta loosen all the screws on the back. You don't have to take them all out, just make sure they all come loose. All loosen up. So to open this thing, all the screws are on, you have to pop this side out first. Let me see here. Just gotta put this away. This side, and this side. The middle one, that's why. So there we go. So we have to lift up from this side and up. Get those notches over there, it's insert inside, and then we just slowly take it out. You see those edge? So you don't pop this side first, you pop out the other side, so it comes out like this. We're done. So this is the inside. There's your one RAM slot, there's the other hard drive, you can put it in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our RAM. I'm just going to wear plastic gloves so don't get any static onto the thing. So here's your RAM. It goes in this way. It's what you do is you tilt a little angle. You slide it in at the angle, and then you push it down, and that's it. That's all you have to do to pop it in. We're gonna take, this is a Western Digital. Open it up. So this is the SSD hard drive. Screwdriver over here. There you go. This one here. We just have to push it all the way in. So now it's in. These screws, you have to be careful because if you use the wrong or turn too tight, they will break, snap this little thread here, and you're unable to screw it. Jeez. There we go. Voila. So now you got 2 drives in there. You got 2 RAMs. With this one, I don't know why it doesn't come with another flap over here. So what we do is we're gonna put it back. So you have to do at this angle. You put it back, tilt in here, so it slides back in there. and then you snap the sides and back inside. And tighten the middle so it doesn't move. The top. Here. This one here. And this one here. So to pry the corner, you can have one of these plastic little tiny things tilted, or one of these bigger ones, so this way it doesn't damage or scratch anything on it. So basically we put all the screws back. This is the back. This is the front ThinkPad X1. See, 3rd generation. This is what it looked like. This is the i7 model. So what we're going to do is power it up. You see here, the fan is like a water sound. This is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Generation 3, the newest model. You can see it just finished updating its BIOS and load it into Windows. You can actually hear the fan is quite loud, especially if the room is quiet. So you probably, when you're using your notebook, you might want to play some music or something. Hopefully it's going to be done soon and this noise won't be there anymore. As you can see, it's still updating. It's making a lot of noise. See here, so we see the Windows. This computer has been updated to 32 gigs with the added 16 gig and then extra hard drive onto the second slot.